Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone and good morning. I hope you all are well. Let's start today's lesson. Grade 1 English language. Today the date is 23rd September. The year is 2020 and the day today is Wednesday. Unit 2 of language to be continued. Today we will be doing work in your workbook, page number 10. This workbook. Please open your workbook and open page number 10. Write today's date 23/09/20, classwork and the day. The date should be written at the left side. Classwork should be written in the middle and the day should be written on the right side on top of the page, page number 10. Let's start. After you have written the date, classwork and day, let's try to learn is, are and am. Today the topic is grammar. Read these sentences. I am ing. Whenever there is an I, am comes after I. In such kind of sentences in which any verb is to be done, any work is to be done. For example, I am talking. We always say I am talking, I am sleeping, I am running, I am eating. We never say I is eating. We never say I are eating. We always say I am eating or I am going. Always remember, I am. Am only comes with I. Remember this, bitte. Next, there are few words. Let's read. He, she, it. Whenever we have these words, he, she and it, is come with them. Not am, not are, but is. He is, she is, it is. And then again, some work that is being done and ing with ing. For example, he is running. She is running. It is running. Always use is with he, she and it. We never use am or are with he, she and it. These things you need to remember, beta. I am. And then he, she, it. We use is with them. Next, there are three more words. Let's read these three words first. You, we, they. You, we, they. We use are with these three words. You are, we are, they are. And then some work that is being done with ing. For example, you are going, we are going, they are going. We don't use am or we don't use is with you, we and they. You now need to learn that am comes with I, is comes with he, she, it, and are comes with you, we, they. Now the exercise that we need to do today, we need to complete sentences about the pictures using am, is, or are. So the words that we learnt, we must use that knowledge in completing these sentences. Part A. He dash kicking a ball. Let's try all these words. He am kicking a ball? No. He are kicking a ball? No. He is. He is kicking a ball. So we will be writing is in this blank. We. What do we use with we? We are. We is? No. We am? No. We are. We are picking flowers. Look, they are talking about themselves. They are saying, what are they saying? We are picking flowers. C part. They dash sleeping. They is sleeping or they are sleeping? They are sleeping. We will be writing are, A-R-E-R over here. D part. What is she saying? She's saying something. What is she doing? She is running. I am running. We always use am in such kind of sentences. I is running will be wrong. I are running will be wrong. But I am running will be correct. So we will write am. am over here. E part. It dash flying. What have we learned? That with it, we always write is, not am, not are. It is. So we will be writing it is flying. Is. Not am, not are. It are flying, wrong. It am flying, wrong. We will be writing it is flying. Next sentence. She. She dash walking. What is she doing? She is walking. She are walking? No. She am walking? No. She is walking. Is. So we have to write is in this blank. She is walking. Now these two boys. This boy is saying something to this one. What is he saying? You dash my friend. You is my friend? No. You am my friend? No. You are my friend. So we will be writing are over here. A-R-E-R. Because what did we learn? We learned over here. Always write am with I. Write is with he, she and it. And are with you, we and they. We are done with filling in the blanks. We have completed Next exercise is very easy. You can do it on your own. You just have to circle the capital letters. Look in your books, the letters which are in capital, you have to just circle them. Do not circle the letters which are in small case. Small letters aren't to be circled, only capital letters are to be circled. You can do it on your own. It's very easy for you, better. Alright, we're done for today's work of English language. Now I will be explaining you the homework that you need to do. You need to do workbook page number 11. And what do you have to do in this one? You have to do composition work. First, you need to draw and color an animal in the box. Use your imagination. You just have to think about some animal and you have to draw it over here. After drawing, what do you need to do? You need to answer the questions about your animal that you have drawn over here. What is your animal? You have to answer this. My animal is a dash. Whatever animal you have drawn over here, you have thought about it. It can be a cat, it can be a dog, it can be a giraffe, it can be a lion, an elephant, a mouse, a rabbit. There are lots and lots of animals. You can choose any animal of your choice. First, you need to draw it, and then you need to answer these questions over here. What is your animal? For example, my animal is a dog or a cat, anything you want. You just have to write the name of that animal over here. Next thing, what color is your animal? You just have to write the color of this animal that you have thought about. It is dash. It can be white, blue. No, I don't think any animal is blue. Maybe a bluebird is blue. A fish can be blue. It is brown. It is black. It is white. Whatever color you think that your animal will be, you just have to write the color over here. How many legs has it got? It has dash legs. If you have thought about a cat, it has 4 legs. A dog also has 4 legs. A fish, if you have thought about a fish, it has no legs. Or if you have thought about some bird, it has 2 legs. Again, it will depend on the animal that you have chosen. Can it walk, swim, or fly? So, depending upon the animal that you have thought, you have to write the answer. If it's a dog, it can walk. If it's a fish, it can swim. Or if it's a bird, it can fly. You just have to write the answer over here. Next question is, what does it say? It says what? The sound that the animal makes. You have to write that sound over here. If it's a cat, you can write meow. If it's a dog, you can write woof. If it's a bird, you can say cheep cheep or choo choo. Or if it's a fish, you can say it says nothing. Again, beta, it's about your creativity, your thinking. This is the homework for today. All right, beta, that's it for today. Don't forget to write today's date, homework, and day on this page when you will be doing the homework. All right, beta, take care of yourself. See you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now let us start next lesson. Science, grade 1. Today the date is 23rd September, the year is 2020, and the day today is Wednesday. Unit 2, Animals. We need to do workbook today, page number 16. Please open your workbook, Science workbook, page number 16. Please write today's date, classwork, and day. 230920 C.W and the day Wednesday, WEDNESDAY. The date should be written on the left side, classwork in the middle, and the day on the right side on top of page number 16. After writing the date, classwork, and day, let's read. What do we need to do? We need to do MCQs, multiple choice questions. There are some questions given. We need to find out the correct answer. Some options are given. We need to select the correct option. Which of the following is an insect? Rabbit? No, rabbit is not an insect. Cow? No, cow is not an insect. Butterfly? Yes, butterfly is an insect. So we have to circle butterfly. Which of the following is not a living thing? Living thing. Ant? Ant is a living thing because it can move, it can eat, it can move. Fly. A fly. It can fly, it can move, it can eat. So it's a living thing. But book cannot eat. It cannot move on its own. So book, it's not a living thing. So we need to circle book. This is the correct answer of this question. C. Which one of the following is a big animal? Cat, mouse, whale. Whale is a big animal. It's very big animal. So we need to circle whale. Whale lives in water and it is a very big fish. Water animals live in dash. Where do they live? Do they live in air? No. Do they live in land? No. They live in water because they are water animals. So we need to write water over here. Circle water from here and write water over there. E part. Which of the following is not a wild animal? Fox. It's a wild animal. It lives in jungles and forests, or you can see them only in zoos. We cannot pet them. We cannot tame them. Tiger. Tiger is also a wild animal. Goat. Goat is not a wild animal. We can keep them as pets. They give us meat. They help us in getting food. We get food from them. They are not wild. Goat is not a wild animal. So we will be circling goat. F part. Birds fly with their dash. Do birds fly with the legs? No. Do birds fly with tails? No. Birds fly with their wings. So we need to circle wings and write wings over here. G part. Which of the following animals is not a farm animal? Horse, it is a farm animal. Cow, cow is a farm animal. Monkey, monkey is not a farm animal, so we need to circle monkey. Monkey is the correct answer. H part. A seahorse lives in the dash. Seahorse live in the ground? No. Does it live in a garden? No. It lives In a sea? Yes, it lives in a sea. So we need to circle sea and write sea over here. Which of the following is not a water animal? Crab. Crab lives in water. It is a water animal. Starfish. Starfish lives in water. It is a water animal. But ladybird, it does not live in water. So we need to circle ladybird because it is not a water animal. It is the correct answer. J part. Which is the biggest land animal in the world? Hippopotamus, giraffe, or elephant? Elephant is the biggest land animal in the world these days. So we need to circle elephant. Elephant is the correct answer. Alright, beta, we're done for today's classwork. Now I will be sharing the homework with you. You have to do homework in your workbook, science workbook. Do workbook page 13, 14 and 15. You have few days to complete this work. What do you need to do in this, beta? You need to draw or paste pictures of animals and you have to write their names. It's very interesting work. You can either paste the pictures or you can draw the pictures. But don't forget to write their names. Alright, beta, do this work till next Monday. You have time till next Monday. Okay? Done for today's science work, beta. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Hope that you are doing the work timely. Allah Hafiz.